There are many features and extra advantages you get by having an Instagram business account. Stick till the end to know more all about them. Hey, I'm Amron Silva, and if you are new here, consider subscribing for more videos around social media marketing. Number 1. Instagram Insights. Instagram provides analytics and performance stats only on Instagram business account, and this is to help businesses grow. Instagram Insights provide businesses with all the essential data they need to know about their account, and also it provides information about which posts do better and which doesn't. It provides you with the information of what content does better and what doesn't. And it also shares the information about your followers, and it helps you to grow your Instagram better. It shows analytics like number of posts, number of increase in followers, reach, impressions, likes, and a lot more. And also it gives you a demographic of your followers, like their age, their location, their country, and what time they are most active on the platform, which helps you better serve them. Number 2. Contact button. It is a very important parameter for every business. You can add your phone number as well as your email, so that when individuals visit your profile, they can contact you via phone or email. This will be a great feature for every business. Shows your industry on your bio. When you set up your business account, you will get an option to add your industry, and also you will get an option to make it visible or invisible for your audience. This will serve as like your niche on your account, and will help people what your business is all about. Number 4. Promote button. Promote button or advertisement button. Promote button is only available on business account and not on normal Instagram account. The button helps you create ads to a particular audience you want to show the ad. This is a very helpful feature which helps businesses reach out to newer audiences and a larger set of audience. Number 5. Add links in stories. You need a business account with at least 10,000 followers to unlock this feature. Many businesses face a problem to add links in other areas because Instagram allows you to add link only in your bio. By having an Instagram business account with at least 10,000 followers, you will be able to redirect people to your link by adding a swipe up feature, which is a very helpful feature every business and individuals need. People swipe up your stories, they will be redirected to your link and they will land on the page you wanted to. Call to action buttons. By having an Instagram business account, Instagram provides you a lot of features, and the best feature I like is the more call to action button, which allows you to put a button which will say like appointment, book now, shop now, gift cards, and reserve, and a lot more other call to action buttons you will have. So use those buttons for your business. Use the relevant one. For example, if you have a shopping e-com site, add shop now. And if you have something like, for example, a food business, add order now. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and also comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos around social media marketing tips and strategies. Thanks for watching.